Sometimes in QuickBooks, we'll create a check without a bill being attached to it. To create checks, go to the New menu, and then under Suppliers, click Check. Start with the payee. Let's suppose that our landlord has arrived and would like the rent check for the month. We'll click the drop-down, and we'll choose our landlord, Brook Hollow Property Management. Next, we'll choose our bank account. And then we'll enter our payment date. Let's suppose that our next check number is 202, so we'll leave that as it is. And then under our category, we'll record what account to record this to. So we'll choose rent or lease payments. We can enter our description, and then we'll enter our amount. And if sales tax is applied, we'll add that. And we can handwrite this check directly from QuickBooks. To complete this transaction, click Save and Close, and QuickBooks attaches that check number to that handwritten check. And that's how to record checks when there's no bill attached.